Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to integrate Calendly with Mailchimp. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Calendly if you already don't have an account. Now guys, after that, you just need to go and, as you can see, do not know how to do it, you go to your channel where you can check out how you can do it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and what we actually have in front of us. So basically in the top left corner, we have the create button, the event types, schedule events, and the upgrade plan and the admin center. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But guys, now let's see how to integrate Calendly with Mailchimp. So what you need to do guys is go on this link firstly, which is calendly.com/integration/Mailchimp. And you'll be guys having a screen like this in front of you. Here you just need to go and, as you can see, Calendly plus Mailchimp automatically create and update context to scale better email marketing experience. You can add integration or chat with the support before if you want. When you click on add integration, a screen like this will pop up. Here guys, as you can see, you have the ways to use Calendly plus Mailchimp, so you can go and check out those. And here you have the requirements. So you have to have an account on Mailchimp, Mailchimp admin privileges, and standard Calendly subscription. Then you just need to click on connect Mailchimp and you will have it connected. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.